Fabrizio Duro.
Your boy. We making food.
So today we're making an omelet. The omelet. The best omelet.
The omelet.
The third omelet.
Hey, yo, y'all kind of dark.
Alright.
The
Great
Bro, can we get some light?
Great getting omelet, bro.
Hey, bro, can we get some light?
Alright. So Dan, will you do the honors of cracking the first egg for this omelet?
You'll get close up on the egg.
Alright. The first egg. No, dude, it's been too much lighting now.
Jesus Christ.
Bro.
Get the light on.
Get the light.
You get a little bit of the shell.
Cracks in the
Just a
egg.
little bit of shell. Yeah, there we go.
Christ.
Oh, that's nice, dude.
No shell included.
Great technique.
Yeah.
Yeah, for a little kick later.
No, I can't do that, bro. No.
What is it?
There. I'll make a good one. All right. There we go. And then we'll just go like this a bit to mix it up.
Yeah, you gotta mix it
I'm not
up.
sure.
You gotta mix it up just a bit, bro.
Don't mix it up.
Don't mix it up. Don't mix it up.
That's fine.
Yes, sir.
Or shit, we gotta add ingredients to it. It's cooking.
So look, here's what you wanna do. You gotta cook it at the bottom, right? And you start putting your nerds in, start putting your cheese in, and then you flip it over.
Facts.
Sir.
Alright, bro. So, we're gonna move it around.
Alright. I already have one of my ingredients. Alright. You gotta keep on looking.
Yummy.
Chocolate chips.
Yummy.
So I'm just add a bit of flavor.
Don't, not yet.
You're just prepping it.
Okay.
Don't forget
I
to
gotta
calm down.
put the heat up a little bit. I'm just trying to make sure it's good.
True, now you can't. Save the cat.
I know what you're trying to say, bro.
Alright, so we got ingredient one. A little bit of cardboard. You know, you
Some nice cardboard. Let's go.
cardboard.
Light, man. We need some light over here, man.
Oh yeah, I got you, fam.
All right. Nice. Master chef.
Master, dude, I'm up next, bro. They're not ready. Honestly.
They ain't ready.
They ain't ready for it. They ain't ready.
Yo, bro, watch your light.
Watch your light.
Watch your light.
I need a bit more light. I need a bit more light. Oh my bad.
Oh God, no.
That's actually bad. You can't eat that,
Guys,
bro.
I don't think that's an actual ingredient, man.
Even dead eyes can't eat that.
What, next to the cardboard I'm putting?
Oh yeah, the cardboard.
Oh my god.
Right next to the chalky water. What about the pizza? You guys still using that?
There's a pizza in the oven.
You see this?
Yo, get this. You know, I got you, dude. I got you.
Shit, bro.
Yeah.
Don't even worry about it. Don't even tell them.
Scrambled eggs were just in one form. Not really scrambled.
Fabrizio, what you fishing for?
You know, just looking for something interesting.
No,
There's nothing interesting. Get some sriracha.
Look at my burger though.
Advanced technique.
This shit looks fine.
Hey, yo, that shit looks ugly.
Sorry, bro. I should put some more Dawn in it, right? To make it a bit better.
You want me to add some for you?
My bad.
Did you wash your hands before this, Dan?
Yo, put the stuff in it, yo, guys. You
Let's start that.
Why is it so small?
Alright.
What did you guys do?
A good amount of that.
Pizza.
put your chips in. Your chips in.
Yo, calm down. Calm
Oh,
down.
sprinkling it
We got
in.
time. We got time. Alright.
The chocolate
Alright.
chips. The
No,
chips.
potato chips, right?
We call this
Oh,
Chips
what you
Ahoy.
adding?
Chips Ahoy. Chips Ahoy.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah, mystery
I dare
sauce.
y'all to actually don't put the Dawn
Mystery
in and actually
sauce.
eat it.
I don't know what this
The
is, bro.
mystery sauce.
Mystery
That's
sauce.
some Chinese. That's like from a Chinese restaurant for like 3
The
weeks.
duck sauce.
the mystery.
sauce.
Oh, the mystery. The
real
mystery
The
drink.
real mystery drink.
Only a sprinkle.
Only
Only a spoonful.
Dude, what? Dude, I don't know why, but right now I can't open this. Nice.
You're using a fucking knife.
Are you joking?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Alright, there we go.
How much you putting in?
That wasn't a spoonful, man.
There we go.
That's not a spoonful.
It
What's
gets
wrong with
cooked
you?
in it, bro. It gets cooked in it. It's straight.
Oh.
Marinate it.
Yeah, I
Only
like eating a
spoonful.
bit of the crust, so toss it in there. What the?
Do you guys need measurements? Should I actually get a spoon so you know what a spoonful is?
Bro.
Oh my fucking god.
There we go. No, let's put that after. Let's put that after. We gotta put it after, bro. A little bit now, a little bit later.
So that? Such a light bit that you can't, the human eye can't see it.
Oh, you're right.
Slow it down.
Fabrizio, what is your input on this current meal?
Honestly, I think it's about to come out pretty good. I think we should all take a bite out of it, to be honest. I think,
No, I have an appetite, man.
bro. You see, I provide the food,
I already got it.
I already
And
got
no one
my own
eats.
food, bro.
and no one eats.
Sorry, man. I was hungry before you started cooking, but now,
Your
man.
fucking meal. You actually know how to cook. They fucking.
What the
What are you
fuck do you
talking
mean
about,
he
bro?
knows how to cook? What is this, dude?
It's a burger. Have you ever seen one, bro?
Alright, let me get that full 360 view.
You have to admit, look, you look good.
Yo, this shit looks ugly. What is this, a burger? Look at this, bro. The ultimate Sprite Sriracha Coke egg.
I call it
Hershey's.
the cum brulee.
Pizza.
Oh, it's kind of dark over here.
Oh, you see, I'm dark.
Dude, we need some light, bro. We need
Get
some
some
lighting.
light, get some
We need
light, get some
lighting,
light
bro.
on this nice meal.
Yes, bro.
Look, Master Chef Fabrizio.
Yep.
Taste test.
Of course, of course. I feel like Daniel Eager should go first, as he was the one to begin this.
Taste test?
It's not done yet.
We'll eat at the same time. We'll eat at the same time.
It's not cooked yet?
Oh
Light
my.
man, what's your input on this?
No.
Oh, that looks nice.
No,
You're
this
saying
is
that
a
doesn't
war
look nice?
crime.
You see this?
You're saying that doesn't look nice, bro.
Oh, let me get a zoom.
Oh my fucking god.
It looks better than our school eggs, bro.
You know what? I may have that wasn't a gag that you just heard. That was me just like
Oh my god.
that was my throat getting clogged up from having too much drool in it.
It's called
Because of how good.
No, dude. No, you were smelling my burger instead. You was getting roasted
You
on
mean
my
this
No one
shit?
likes the burger, dude.
Yeah, that's why yak.
The shit that you cook for 3 minutes? Look at this. We've been cooking this for 10 minutes.
You see this?
Thanks, dude.
Come on, man.
Light man, why are you hating on it so much?
It's inedible at its current state. You have to let it reduce.
Let me find salt.
Crack it open. Okay. You crack it. Crack it open.
Master Chef Dan, can you do anything right?
No.
I don't think the bottom of the egg is cooked after that.
We may have to speed up the cooking time.
It smells putrid. Oh my god.
It's called fine dining.
They wouldn't get it, bro.
It doesn't even look like egg whites. It doesn't even look like egg.
Yes, it does, dude. What?
Light man Jack, come here. Come smell it.
Gag. Like, unironically, I'm fucking
Come
gagging.
smell it.
Yo, my crust.
Two eggs.
Feel hard I'm shaking right now?
Need the cross section.
If they do, then I mean they deserve like 2 views.
Cannot let food go to waste. You must eat.
Yo,
what
look
you
that
make.
crust.
Drink it. Put it into a cup.
Someone give me a cup.
No. No, I don't want to.
Oh my god, bro, no.
Oh, the pizza crumb. Looks kind of good from the side, but from the top, ooh.
You can see it's still fresh. You can see steam coming off.
Nah, yo. I honestly think this might be our greatest masterpiece yet. For our first cooking episode, I think that's pretty good.
I agree.
Let's see it.
All right, this job doesn't pay me enough to have like a very fake reaction to it. This is shit.
If this was shit, would I do this?
It's inedible.
It smells putrid. Cannot let food go to waste. Cannot let food go to waste.
Cannot let food go to waste.
Yo, facts, bro. You record me, bro.
Why you sitting there?
I just had to wipe it down. Chew.
What happened to your dish?
Bro, you need a drink, bro. You
Was it good?
Yeah, honestly, I just don't think my taste buds are like.
Knocked
meant
my
for it.
socks off.
What do you think about this?
This is bad. This is bad.
Master Chef Fabrizio.
Why does it burn?
What'd you think about that?
Why does it burn?
I think it was a good first run, you know, for BC/Grey Gang
My
cooking.
gums hurt.
What was that about you throwing up?
I never threw up. As you can see, if you look.
What is
back
that
at the
about
video,
Dan throwing
the
up
food
right now?
went into my mouth,
It's good.
and that's it. That's all you need to know. The food was in my mouth at some point.
How'd you enjoy the
That's
texture?
all.
How would you tell the public about the
You know,
texture?
I just wish it was a bit hotter. I think, you know, having Dan wash the dishes right after
Tastes
the food
good.
was not a good idea.
It's good.
But overall, it was a great meal. I would 10 out of 10 cook with Daniel again.
Cut out the part where I'm
And-
throwing up.
And, you know, we'll be back for Grey Gang Cooking Episode 2 very soon.
Yo, like the video if you want to
Like the video. Like the video.
Like the video
Wanna
if you
see
guys
us
want to
ready,
see
bro.
some monstrous meals again.
Right now.
Now drink it to end the video.